Hi everyone, my name is Patricia Rivera. I've been studying biotechnology at Antioch College for 3 years. And in this video, I'll try to explain to you some simple tools that we can use to improve our English. This video can be very useful to people having another native language than English. Biotechnology is a beautiful way to have science in your hands. It's using technology and biology together, transforming life in order to research new tools that allowed finding solutions to various problems. For example, the use of bacteria in order to produce insulin, or other bioindustrial processes such as the modification of some proteins with the purpose of fighting against some diseases more naturally and less aggressively for the human body. And it's also working with genes and transform them in order to improve the natural ability of the human body to fight diseases. Here in Quebec, it is very important using 2 or more languages. And after French, English is the most important language, especially in the workplace and for biotechnology students, because sometimes we have to create some protocols in English. And for that reason, I would like to present you this wonderful online tool, the virtual writing tutor, and basically how to use it. First of all, you have to paste or tap your text in the text area here in the middle of the screen, and doing that you'll be able to check the grammar. If you click on the button check grammar, that is in the bottom of the screen in the middle. You see, you will receive your results for each grammar mistakes. In this case, are just spelling mistake because they are too technical. The words are too technical. And you can receive feedback in order to know how to correct them. In the same way, you can download your text as a doc file with the button of the left hand side of the screen, and you can check, for example, your English homework before sending it, of course, if you are working on the laboratory protocol, or even if you are working preparing your English homework, like me. Using this tool, you can improve your speech too. For example, here, if you need to paste an oral test, you can check your speech using the button text to speech here, that is located on the right hand side of the screen. Or you can practice your own spelling, then register your voice in order to check your pronunciation with the speech recognition button located in the same place. It's sure that using this amazing tool we can improve our English and have a better development in your field of study and later in work. I hope you like it. Enjoy the video, and thank you.